नंबर 8 जो हमारे हैं नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी. नाउ he rarely bowls. You have rarely seen him bowl. इस पिछले इनिंग्स में कुछ ओवर्स उन्होंने डाले. He has played all 4 मैचेस और बहुत कम ओवर्स उन्होंने कलेक्टिवली डाले हैं. He is mainly playing just as a pure batter. Do you believe कि if you are rarely bowling Nitish Kumar Reddy, you should instead pick a proper batter in his place क्योंकि आप ज्यादातर उनसे बैटिंग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो ना. Then might as well play a Dhruv Jurel or Sarfaraz Khan in that position. Do you think it's a waste of position? He has been batting brilliantly. There's no doubt. नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी ने impress किया है अपनी बैटिंग से. But अगर आपने overs ही बहुत कम डलवाने हैं, might as well play a pure batter.
Yeah, absolutely. You should, but like you said, the guy's been doing the job so well that it would be unfortunate. अब बहुत players के साथ नाइंसाफी हुई है. But I think if you had to go down the specialist route, you would have done it before in the series. You wouldn't have waited so long. So in theory, yes, you would have wanted a Dhruv Jurel, but then again, Dhruv Jurel उन्होंने पर्थ में कुछ नहीं किया. उसके बाद ध्रुव जुरेल को नेट्स में कितनी बैटिंग मिल रही है, no one knows, right? So it's probably with a toss up between, okay, let's go for Jurel, or we go for a guy who's still got consecutive 3 matches and he's been looking very good. He's only had the one bad match. I don't think he did anything in Brisbane when India batted only once. He had one failure. So हो सके temptation रहा होगा कोच और कप्तान के मन में, but when they sat back and saw यार 22 साल का है, nobody expected him to play 4 test matches. He's done very, very well with the bat. And also when you play Washington Sundar as your second spin bowling all-rounder, obviously Nitish Reddy के overs तो कम होते जाएंगे. So we can say now that it probably was the wrong call to have 3 bowling all-rounders. But जब तक जडेजा, सुंदर और नीतीश की बैटिंग नहीं आती, probably better to wait and give a proper answer on this question. Let's see how they go. अब इनका मैच शुरू हो रहा है ना. Now India's actual ploy of playing in succession, एक के बाद दो के बाद 3, जड्डू, सुंदर और वॉशिंगटन रेड्डी. Also, what does it say about the lineup? If he's actually started at number 8, I would want him batting at number 7, you know, more than anybody else. क्योंकि बंदा हर मैच में फीचर तो किया है ना. Also, you have a lefty in Jaddu, a lefty in Pant, and a lefty in Sundar. Break it up, and when the next wicket falls, I hope they send in this guy. Only because he's been at the crease every single match. Washi ने सिर्फ एक मैच खेला अब तक ना.
Also, he has been running out of partners. I believe that if he bats up the orders, he has people around him. He can bat long. He can bat for long. Hopefully, he gets that chance. But do you think this is a pitch for 2 spinners?
No.
This has it. Yeah. So wrong call.
Wrong call. I'm not suggesting that. Like on the other shows I've done, many fans said, "Arey, this was a pitch for 4 fast bowlers." It's not a pitch for 4 fast bowlers. Australia have not done anything. Australia have played 3 fast bowlers, and then Mitchell Marsh is there. Nitish Reddy, वो maximum दिन में 5 ही ओवर डालेगा, right? तो जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने अपना टैक नहीं चेंज किया है, जब वो इस टेस्ट में डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं, so take a cue. But Kana, we all know that Washington Sundar didn't play. In fact, he bowled a lot more overs than I expected to. He was mainly picked for maybe 7-8 overs per day, but he's picked for his batting. तो अब जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, अब actually इंडिया का जो गैम्बल था, वो गैम्बल चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा? I think we should probably judge that based on the batting. But did you need 2 spinners? No. If you were batting brilliantly, I would say हाँ, लेकिन जब आपकी बैटिंग खराब है, you probably were better off not going for a Washi and maybe giving it to not Sarfaraz. I think Jurel. अगर दोनों में से एक को चुनना है, I would have gone for Dhruv Jurel.